Hey guys.
So my name's Reggie. Um, I'm pretty new to this. In this YouTube series, I'm gonna start talking about something that's been bothering me for like a few years in my life, and no matter to who I talk to or how I start a discussion, it's always a bitter pill to swallow, and really a few people has a good explanation or a good answer to the question, but it's why did they never teach us the real rules or the the correct way to think about money, finances, anything to do with wealth. I mean, we live in one of the most unequal societies in the world. Um, I mean, the gap in South Africa is massive. Um, I mean, the gap between what the wealthy knows about money and what the poor knows about money is so big, and it's getting bigger day by day, year by year. And funny thing is, like, most people talk about it. I mean, they mention like the middle class is falling away. You're either in the wealthy class or you're in the poor class. Um, the middle class is drastically either going into the higher class or dropping down to the poor. Um, in I mean, my opinion, in a few years from now, you won't find something like a middle class anymore, and the only thing that will distinguish where the middle class would go to, if it's going to drop down or go up, is if they learn the rules about money. It's a very vague way to talk about it, but if you think about it, it really is just rules. If you understand how money works, where money starts, where it ends up, how the whole system runs, you'll understand so much more. Like, one thing, and I've especially been saying it for a year, 2 years now. I always felt it, but I never thought it was a good idea to say it out loud. But like, the biggest scam, and you see a lot of people that makes money or that has money or that build their own business, their own personal brand, uh, is like the biggest scam in the world, not just in South Africa, is the education system. And it's not because I think they're stealing your money or they're doing anything illegal. I just believe personally it's the biggest scam because think about it. There's not one subject in school that teaches you about how money works. Yes, you have economy classes where it teach you how to run your own bookkeeping or how to do books. But they don't teach you where wealth is generated, where to start looking when you're thinking of building your own business. Um, and I mean, I've been raised by the saying like, um, I mean, and I think any other South African in the world was taught work hard and save your money. Work till you can't work anymore, save up as much as you can save, and just, I mean, that worked in like the 1990s, 1980s, but in today's era and day and time, you you can't just save and hope you're gonna get somewhere. And I mean, I'm struggling with it. Um, I mean, I think a lot of other people are struggling with it. Not everyone's built for business. Not everyone's is made the same. Not everyone has the same mindset. Not everyone has the same approach to certain things in life. I mean, if everyone did, life would be pretty boring and there won't be something unique. But even if you don't have the same mindset as the guy sitting next to you, or the same mentality going into business as a person sitting next to you, there's still certain aspects, certain points that if you understand it, life would already be so much easier. You won't just work 9 to 5, save up as much as you can save, and just leave it in the bank. I mean, there's so many ways, so many different ideas of investments, of trading, online businesses. There's so much things you can do except just saving. I mean, saving your money. Where's that going to lead you? You're going to save up for 30, 40 years. When you're 60, oh, I only have 500K in my account. I mean, everything's so expensive now. What's stuff going to cost by the time you retire? And that's the biggest thing. I mean, they don't teach you the correct systems, and that's the biggest thing that's been bothering me, is they don't explain where money starts, where money goes, what the rich people do and what they know to achieve what they have. And I mean, no one really has an excuse, because the internet, it's free. YouTube, it's free. You can accumulate so much knowledge by just watching a few YouTube videos or talking to a business owner. And I'm one of those people. I'm shy. I don't like the camera, but I came to that point where I thought, well, if it's bothering me and if it's something that tickles my brain, if it's something that I don't understand or I don't know as much, I want to go and find out what I don't know. I want to go and learn. And I think there's a lot of people who don't know the systems, who doesn't understand it, doesn't also have the same questions that I have. And that's why I'm starting this channel, why I'm talking about this, um, is to talk about the stuff I'm wondering about, answering the stuff that I always wondered about and what other people also wants to know. Maybe doesn't have time to go and learn it yourself, too lazy to learn it yourself, easier to just watch a video and listen to people talk, whatever your reason is. And for me to do this, I mean, takes doesn't take a lot. I mean, you just find answers and talk about it. Um, and that's the main thing. I'm doing this channel. It's gonna call Money Unlocked. That's the series that I'm wanting to start. And then yeah, well, I'm gonna start talking about certain topics. If you guys have something that you're wondering about, wants answers about, let me know, and I'll try and get as much information about that certain topic as I can, and then just pump it all into one video or a few videos, depending on how long it's gonna take and how much information it is. I just think it's a big deal. It's something that everyone's wondering about. That one thing that most people doesn't understand. I mean, it's it's there. Money exists. Certain ways to run money, to work with your money also exist. And we just have to find that system. Um, I'm also in the process of doing a few things and testing it, seeing how it works, putting most of my attention into doing some side hustle ideas and working towards a certain point. And I want to document that as well and just see where it goes. I mean, you won't know until you try it. That's one thing that I've learned until now. And I mean, I don't have mentors that personally know me, but there's certain people out there that made a huge difference in my life just by doing the same thing, talking, giving their personal opinion, professional opinion on social media, just talking about stuff that makes you think, well, that's actually true, or that just makes your head start spinning, makes your gears start grinding, and you think, well, that's a good point. Maybe I should do something about my life too, and just not sit back and complain the whole time. Um, so yeah, that's a big thing. I'm actually just making this video to talk about the series I'm gonna start publishing or start creating. And I'm not a professional. I don't have a degree. I don't have any special skills in financing or about money. I'm just going to talk about information I accumulated, lessons I've learned, personal lessons I've learned in my life that links to certain aspects of money and stupid choices you make in life, things you think you understand but you don't understand, and places where you bump your head, and usually when you realize it's a mistake, it's already too late. And that's the whole idea behind this. Thanks for watching. Please give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.